Oh, I am tired. Exhausted with the capital Hegs. But the reason why I'm tired, I have been pushing it slightly with my wanderings. I do the same little trip around our house, and sort of the last couple of years, the little circuit that I do, I was taking 13 and a half minutes to do it. It's not long, just a little figure of 8 circuit around the house. 13 and a half minutes. This year it's getting down to 12:25ish, 12:15 at times. All because me stride is lengthening. I'm finding it easier to walk. Yesterday, 11 minutes 40 odd, 11 minutes 50 odd, I broke the 12-minute barrier. It's my PB, my personal best. But to do it, I did have to get a wriggle on, which is good. It's actually good aerobically. Good for the strength in the legs as well. But jeez, it does make you tired. But it's a good tired. Right, and this wasn't here. I looked before I left the house this morning for possible temporary traffic lights on Sefton Roadworks Live, and there was nothing. Not a sausage. And now I get here, top of Q Road, 4-way traffic lights. The world's gone mad. Now normally I go back, have my cup of tea, and I might have a half-hour nap. But I think I've got taxi sun duty. I'll have to find out what time. I have doctor and hospital chauffeur duties this week. So what you're doing is family. Gotta look after them. It's a lovely day as well. Depending on what time I've got to go out, might be worth getting in that back garden. Finishing me cup of tea in the garden. Mind you, I'd probably fall asleep in the garden, wouldn't I? I almost did yesterday in the car. Just went out for a little sit in the car. I needed to get a couple of things out of it. And it was a really hot sunny day, so I had the door open. I was in the passenger seat, and next thing you know, I was doing the old nodding dog. And that was before I'd done my personal best. So I think I might just be fundamentally tired. Good name for an album, that, isn't it? Fundamentally Tired. Oh, Jesus, man. More traffic. There's more lights ahead, which haven't been a problem. They've been up for about 2 weeks. They haven't been a problem at all. Now all of a sudden they are. But it's on the way home, so I'm not arsed. She's in work. I've dropped her off on time. No es problema. Gotta get the car washed as well, because it's filthy, covered in filth. Doesn't take long, does it? As anybody who lives anywhere near the coast will tell you. One rain shower, it dries and it's full of sand. Birds are loud. Even with the windows shut, you can hear them. It's no bad thing. Why? Why? Why, Delilah? Just feels this way, that as soon as they've finished one bit of work, they cover it up, they tarmac over it, and then 2 days later they come back and dig up the same little area. Roads look awful as well, just patchwork quilt, slightly newer tarmac. Oh, man, always the same areas. Just dig the entire thing up, it'll cost an absolute fortune, and you'll still save money because you won't be going back there every 5 minutes. Imagine if they spent the actual road fund licence, your car tax, on fixing roads and things rather than putting it into the pockets of donors, which they must be doing. Where else does it go? The roads are bloody awful. And a Mercedes suspension does not come cheap. Remind me to look into that as well. Not suspension, the wheel refurb. I need to possibly get one booked in because the wheels need doing. See, what happens is, even on alloys, you get a corrosion. It's a different type of corrosion on alloys, but it's still corrosion. And any kind of corrosion on your wheels can stop there being a perfect seal. So air can get out and you think you've had a puncture, which it's not really a puncture, but it's still a release of air. And your tyres go down. Last time I got a tyre fixed on this, the lad who was doing it said, keep an eye on your wheels, they'll need doing soon. They're starting to corrode. And that was 18 months ago, was it? Could do with doing. They've been curbed. They were scruffy when I bought them. Just scruffy, that's it, but if they are starting to corrode, they'll need doing. Get them done this month. And then sometime in the summer, treat myself to a new set of boots, premium tyres all round. That's a shit. And I won't be able to get through anyway, will I? Because despite the fact that I'm trying to turn right, you are all in the way. Absolute turbo helmets. Yes, if you'd move slightly out the way, I'll be able to turn right. And then you wouldn't be blocking up an entire roundabout. You beeping me for these pricks are in the way. Thank you. BMW versus Mercedes, you see. I can't possibly let him go with his 3-pointed star. Stupid. Stupid. Oh, what are these doing now? It's genuinely, this is, I've said it before and I will say it again. Good morning. No. This is Squid Games, motorists, Southport, Squid Games. I'm convinced. Let's see if we can get someone in that Michael Douglas falling down situation. Well, you're playing with the wrong person here, man. I might be mildly miffed. Mildly miffed. But I'm not getting wound up over it. Apart from, how did he get here? I've just gone past that van. How have they got there? Have they gone round the back way? How did they know? How did they know? Gussers. Jeez. Right, get in. Finish me cup of tea and then we'll see what happens from there. It might be garden. It might be sofa nap. It might be straight to the hospital. I do not know. I do not know. But we're going to find out either way, aren't we? Yeah, come on, let's go.